Hey guys, welcome back and let's get started with the makeup look. So my skin was feeling a little dry from past couple of days, so I thought of using the M.A.C Strobe cream today. This one is a sample size. Now I especially like the Goldlite one on myself because of my undertone, and I think it looks perfect on me, and this is gonna give you that hydrated, fresh and dewy looking, very natural looking skin. Next I'm going to be using a primer to cover my pores, and I have a little bit of textures on my skin, so this is going to make my skin look smooth, and this is going to give the perfect canvas to work with. Now this one I think was my last year favorite. Then to deal with my never-ending chapped lips, I'm going to be using a lip balm. Now this is a new one and I'm loving it lately, and this is quite reasonable and the quality is really good. And next I'm going to be using a concealer which is 2-3 shades darker than my skin tone. This is to color correct my acne scars and under eye dark circles, and I am more towards NC 25 to 30 in M.A.C Pro Longwear range, and yeah, this concealer is really nice. And whenever I'm color correcting my face, I just prefer using my finger because your finger has that warmth in it that helps the concealer melt into the skin, and it just makes everything look perfect. And next I'm using a loose powder to set the concealer on place so that the cream products doesn't move. And once that is done, I'm using another concealer to highlight my face, and this one is a full coverage one, and I'm using a very small amount because a little bit goes a really long way, and I'm using it on those areas where I want to highlight my face, like underneath my eyes, a little bit down the bridge of my nose, on my chin, a little bit on my forehead, and then with the help of a beauty blender, I'm just blending everything out. Next I'm using my favorite foundation of all time. You can use whatever you have, whatever you like, and I like this foundation especially because it doesn't move, doesn't budge, and it stays for a really long time, and the coverage is something is to die for, and I'm doing one spot at a time because it sets really quickly, and once it sets it doesn't move. So if you are someone who is looking for a really good foundation for your wedding day or any special occasion, just go for this one. And by the way, this one is a full coverage matte foundation, so if you have oily, acne prone or textured skin, this is gonna cover everything without looking cakey, and it just looks perfect. And then to set the cream products on place, I'm using the same K-Beauty loose powder that I've used before, and this one is so finely milled and it looks so beautiful on the skin. It just looks like you have a makeup filter on your face. And then I'm using a makeup setting spray to lock everything in. Okay, now let's move on to the eyes, and I'm just taking a random brown eyeshadow. You can use whatever you have. I know everyone has one brown eyeshadow in their kit, so take whatever you have and use it on your crease. And this one is the only powder eyeshadow I'm gonna be using today. And guys, it might look like I have done a lot of things to my eyes, but trust me, this eye look is so simple and so easy to recreate. So I wanted to try this Swiss Beauty metallic eyeshadows for a really long time, and guys, when I used this, I was just blown away by their quality. It looks stunning on your eyes, it's smudge proof, it's smudge proof, and it stays for a really long time. And also guys, the price point, it's under 200 rupees, so I was literally blown away. Okay, so once you are done with applying the liquid eyeshadow, just let it sit for 30 seconds so that it doesn't transfer or doesn't crease. And then I used the same brush that I have applied the brown eyeshadow with, and I just blended everything in. And also I applied a little bit of that liquid eyeshadow to the innermost corners of my eyes, and as you guys can see, it just looks stunning. And then for my bottom lash line, I'm using an eyeshadow crayon from this brand called KIRO, and whatever product I have tried from this brand, their kajal, their lipsticks, their eyeshadow crayons, everything is so good. Now it's time to curl my lashes and apply some good layer of mascara, because you guys know I don't use falsies, and currently I'm loving this mascara. This one is an oldie but a goodie, but then I felt like my eyes were missing something, so I decided to use a very small amount of eyeliner only on the innermost corners of my eyes to give my eyes that something that it was missing. I hope that makes sense. And then to complete my face makeup, I'm using this palette from Sugar Cosmetics. Such a travel friendly and beginner friendly palette. The bronzer, the blush, the highlighter, everything in this palette is really good. And if you are someone who is a beginner and who is looking for a good budget friendly face palette, just go for this one. Okay, now that I'm done with my face makeup, let's just quickly finish up the brows. I'm just using these two powders to fill in the gaps, and then I'll be using a brow setting gel so that my brows doesn't move throughout the day. Now, no Christmas makeup is complete without a beaming highlighter on your face, and I'm using this one on top of the sugar one. And look at that, how stunning it looks on the skin. Now moving on to the lips, and today I'm gonna be using the two most overhyped lipstick of 2020, and both are from MAC Powder Kiss lipstick range. The first one is More the Merrier and the second one is Over the Top. Now, if you ask me why they are so overhyped, are they comfortable to wear? Are they worth your money? Are they long wearing? I would say yes, they are long wearing. The formula is very comfortable to wear. They transfer a little when you apply it on your lips, but once it settles down, it doesn't move, doesn't budge, and stay for a really long time, and they are super duper comfortable. So yeah, it's worth every single penny. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.